The iCoat countertop system can be done in a variety of ways. The system can be applied over existing laminate, tile, formica, corian, or even granite. This customer is looking at extending their countertop space for a breakfast bar and adding an undermount sink, so new tops were made from a water-resistant MDF called Medex. First, the old countertop and sink are removed and the cabinets are prepared for the new countertop. The new counter is flipped and brackets are put in place to secure the new sink. This can also be done from underneath. The countertop is placed in position and secured into place with a small amount of liquid nails and screws. The area is masked off to protect the cupboards and other kitchen appliances, and craft paper is taped all around the floor. A thin layer of iCoat cement is brushed on as a primer for a second slightly thicker concrete coat that will be molded and texturized. They make sure to cover the backsplashes and the sink cutout. This concrete dries fast and creates a profile that will be filled while maintaining a flat surface. The edges have cement added to them and texturized per the design. A chip brush is used to mimic bark. The second layer of cement is troweled onto the surface and the design of natural wood is worked into the cement. As this job is to look like wood, the installer adds knot holes and other natural wood features. The cement is then lightly knocked down to provide a semi-smooth surface. Fans are added to quicken the drying process. Once the cement is cured, it is stoned for excess peaks and then the dust is removed. Colour is added starting with the dark detail in the middle of the counter and then the dark bark edges. A series of other iCoat acrylics are added by brush and spray bottles to give the counter the desired look. The artisan works in special features to give the countertops real character. Again, fans are added to circulate the air in the room and let the colour dry. Once the iCoat installer is happy with the finished colour, iCoat countertop epoxy is mixed on site and it's time to add the epoxy finish. It is added liberally across the top surfaces and smoothed over the entire surface of the countertop and down the edges with a plastic knife, finished with an edge brush. To remove any small bubbles and to get the surface to sparkle, the installer lightly torches the epoxy. iCoat offers the ability to match any gloss reflection scale to make the look to the desired customer's request. Once all paper is removed and the kitchen hardware and sink are back in place, the customer gets to see their new kitchen countertops in all their iCoat glory, all in about 48 hours.